Hey everybody, it's Sean from IronSword Spices, and today we're going to be making chili. It's nice and cold outside, so it's a good time for it. We have a new product coming down the line for you. It's a nice chili mix. It's all just one little package, and it's going to be super simple, just the way we like it. We're just going to take a little bit of oil in the bottom of a pot. We're going to take 3 pounds of ground beef, put it in the pot. We're going to brown it off. We're going to strain most of the fat off of it. Throw in the rest of our ingredients and we're done. Quick, fast, and easy. Come on, I'll show you. So just brown your ground beef to get started, and then drain it off. So once you've got your meat browned and drained off a little bit, doesn't have to be all of it that gets drained out, but drain it off. Add in your chili mix. In there, give that a good stir. Once you get that kind of stirred in, you can just add in a little bit of tomato sauce. Mix in there. Oh. Another one of those in there. And this is the point where you can add any of the other stuff that you like to add, like big chunky onions or bell peppers or any of that. I like to put in a little bit of cheese right here. It just kind of makes it sort of creamy. Not a lot of cheese, like maybe 1/8 of a cup. Just get rid of all this veiny stuff in here. As much of it as you can. I like a little bit bigger chunk on these. Adds a little color, a little different texture. Goes right in there. Oops. And just stir those in. Another one, you can cut them up just super chunky for this. They don't have to be real fine, they don't have to be perfect. They can be just kind of rough and chunky like that. Some of the best things about onions is they tend to disappear when you cook them. So they at least melt down a little bit. They hide a lot of they hide a lot of stuff once they cook. And in go the onions. And give those a little bit of a stir in there. Oh, look at that. It already looks good. And we're just going to let this simmer for maybe 45 minutes. Let it kind of cook down, get all the flavors blended together. and we'll come back and check on it. Well, this has been sitting and simmering for about 45 minutes, almost an hour actually at this point. And if you like it a little bit thicker, you can simmer it a little bit longer. It's not going to hurt anything. Ooh, it smells amazing in here. And yes, I've been to the grocery store twice in the last 3 days, and both times I've come home going, I'm forgetting something, and I just couldn't put my finger on what it was, but what it was shredded cheese. But let's be real. This is the same stuff they make the shredded cheese out of. And I put this in here just to kind of give it a little creaminess. It'll help tighten it up a little bit too, make it a little tiny a little bit thicker. And it also sort of counteracts a little bit of the heat to have this in there too. And it's cheese. You can't say no to cheese, right? But that's about it. And you serve it with your favorite toppings. You get sour cream, more shredded cheese if you remember to buy it in the store, not like me. But do what you will with it. It's great on hot dogs. And this will be premiering shortly in our store, the mix. Will anyway. But for now, this is just going to be all mine. So that's it. Fast and easy, right? Just like I said. So make sure you give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more. We got a lot more videos on the way. Comment. Let us know what you want to see or hear or learn, or maybe you bought one of our products and you're looking for a new idea or something for it. Hit me up, put it in the comments, and oh yeah, by the way, there's no sous chef and his supervisor will not be getting chili. Thank you very much. I do have to sleep in the same house with them. Anyway, you guys have a great evening, great day, great afternoon, wherever it is, whatever it is you are, and we'll see you next time. No chili. None. You get no chili.
Daddy said no chili.
No chili. No chili for the puppies.
No? No chili?